it. Hello friends, I'm Sparky, your robot pal. Today, we're going on a magical adventure to explore a super cool idea called symmetry. And I have something very special to help us. Ta-da! This is my magical reflective tile. Watch what happens when I put things next to it. It's like a perfect mirror. Symmetry is when one side of something is a perfect mirror image of the other side. Let's see it in action. First, let's play with some shapes. Here's a colorful square. When I place half of it against my magic tile, look, the reflection completes it and makes a whole square again. It's perfectly symmetrical. Now, what about a triangle? Let's try it. Half of the triangle plus its reflection makes a full triangle. It works. See that line where the tile meets the shape? That's called the line of symmetry. It's the invisible line that divides a shape into two identical halves. Okay, last one for now. A circle. If I put half a circle against the tile, wow, a perfect circle appears. Circles are super symmetrical. No matter how you slice them through the center, the two halves are always the same. Isn't that neat? Did you know symmetry is hiding in the alphabet too? Let's be letter detectives. Let's start with the letter A. If we draw a line right down the middle, is the left side a mirror image of the right side? Yes, it is. So the letter A has vertical symmetry. How about the letter B? Let's try a line across the middle, horizontally. Look, the top half is a mirror image of the bottom half. So B has horizontal symmetry. What about the letter H? It's a special one. It has both vertical and horizontal symmetry. You can fold it top to bottom or side to side, and it matches perfectly. But what about a letter like F? If we draw a line down the middle, the sides don't match it. If we draw one across the middle, the top and bottom don't match either. So the letter F is not symmetrical. Can you think of other letters that are symmetrical? How about the letter O or the letter T? Give it a try. Symmetry isn't just in shapes and letters, it's everywhere in nature. And one of the most beautiful examples is a butterfly. Look at this. I have one beautiful butterfly wing. It's pretty, but it feels like something's missing, right? Let's see what happens when we bring it to our magic tile. Wow, look at that. The reflection completes the wing, and now we have a whole gorgeous butterfly. The butterfly's body is the line of symmetry. The pattern on the left wing is a perfect mirror image of the pattern on the right wing. This is called bilateral symmetry, and you can see it on so many animals like dragonflies, ladybugs, and even our own faces. So, what did we learn today? Symmetry is all about balance and mirror images. It's when you can divide something into two identical halves along a line of symmetry. We found it in simple shapes like squares and circles. We discovered it in the letters of the alphabet, and we saw its beauty in a butterfly's wings. The world around you is a huge treasure chest of symmetry. The next time you're outside, look at the leaves on a tree. When you're having a snack, look at a slice of an apple. Keep your eyes open and you'll start seeing symmetry everywhere. Thanks for exploring with me today, everyone. I had so much fun. Keep being curious and keep discovering. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing adventures. See you next time. Bye bye.